Welcome to Make Made Simple. Today we will be studying resolving a force into a force at O and a couple. So I have drawn a rigid body here and we have O dash and A. At A force F vector is acting. So this F vector is acting at A. Now we have to calculate the moment of F about O. So we have the formula here. MO equals to R vector cross F vector. MO equals R vector cross F vector. Now I'll draw a force here F. So these and minus F. So I've drawn two forces here F and minus F. Minus F vector and F vector will form a couple. That is what we are studying here, resolving a force into a couple. So minus F and F vector. Now the moment that this generates is given as here. The force, this is the force that is being applied, and the moment that is generated is m vector. M vector equals R vector cross F vector. So that's the moment that is generated. Now we come here. All these three bodies are equal. So R vector, we will have a moment here. M O dash O prime, or we can say O prime. So we have R dash vector equals R vector plus S vector. S vector is here, from here to here. This is the S vector. And M O dash vector equals R dash vector cross S vector. R dash vector cross F vector, and R dash vector is R plus S. So R plus S cross F will give us R vector cross F vector plus S vector cross F vector. So R vector cross S vector is equals to M naught. So MO dash will be equal to MO prime. I'm saying O dash as O prime. MO prime vector equals MO vector plus S vector cross S vector plus S vector cross F vector. So the relation that we have to remember is that if we have a force acting at a point O, at point A, then it can be resolved into two points here. So that is how we resolve a force acting anywhere in the rigid body to a force that is uh, resolved at O. We substituted this force here from here to here, and then this is equivalent to this system, and this force then can be resolved. M uh, moment can be resolved to O dash vector, O prime vector. So any force can be resolved to a O prime vector at located anywhere in the object, and the relation that governs this uh, moment to be resolved anywhere in the object is given by this. So that was all for today. Thank you for listening. Please do subscribe to my channel, Make It Simple, and like the video and share the video. Thank you.